What's up, mayong buntag makain. So, natay release karon nga unit. This unit is every wagon 4x4 off-road concept. So as you can see, the unit of the color is color brown. So ayun. Grabe ka po this unit. Sa itong tuyupon. So as you can see, grabe kasinaw si unit, no? So unit is bound soon to Zamboanga. So naras lang sir, ilan ako na unit. So additional inclusion sa unit is additional si customer og steel bumper, then dual taillight. So naka 13 inches max anti material tire, pugi, naka fender running lights, and naka window trim chrome. So naka roof carrier ang unit. So sa likod naka steel bumper. So yung sa reverse camera. So always stay carrying guys video pag magawas ng unit. Sa sulod, always preview sa yung garage video. The extension chair. WFP ceiling. So ang unit is single auto sliding door. So self vlog sa Tagarono. So WFP ceiling. Seat cover upholstery. Design and color requested by our client. So naka-install si customer temperature gauge. Ayun, naka-9 inches touchscreen car stereo. So overall setup okay kasi yun ito. Yun. Paon nilang sir, si sir is magbiyahe pa Zamboanga. Karoon sila kaabot. Ayun. Pugi. So, pinatamagdugay. Kumabiyahe pa silang sir. So, for more inquiries, just visit my page in Garage Video or visit sa among location located at Zone 4, Mulugan, Salvador. Or na contact number sa page. Tawag lang para ma-cater tamo. Okay? This is Ronald Basili from Garage Video. Mayang buntag. God bless everyone.